This is what I do every day in the summertime when I get home from work. It's a little after 4 o'clock. I come here and check on the greenhouse, make sure everything is really well. It is 95 degrees outside. Blinding my eyes. So we have, here, before we do that. All right. This is what you do in the with the greenhouse in the summertime. I have a shade cloth. This is like a 65%. That's on the actually northwest side facing. So that's when the sun moves out that way. And then I have 50% shade cloth on the top here. And you can see the window is open. I'm nicknaming my greenhouse the Dominican Republic because it's as hot as the Dominican Republic was when I lived there for 2 years of my life. And with the humidity. All right. It feels nice and warm in here. Humidity is like 90%, and the temperature looks like around 90 to 95 degrees. And I'm feeling it, but some plants are liking it. The Adenium arabica, Arabian desert rose, that's liking it. Speaking of Dominican Republic, this is Kanya, sugar cane. Yep, just grew those from just cuttings. And then have ficus, so it's nice and humid in here. But it works. Oh, I was gonna show you what I do. So what I'll do is if it's like too hot, if it's like say over 100 degrees in here, things would get scorched. I just come in here and I spray the sides of the wall with water just to give it like more humidity. But you can see like these ficus are liking it. Ficus are all giving new growth out. They just love the humidity. Sabos or Teresia speciosas are doing well. Little palm from Catalina Island, probably a queen palm. I just grew it to just grow it, you know. Found a little seed, brought it home, put it in a pot, put them in my greenhouse, and bam. Oh, even like our religiosa ficus and our rock fig. Yeah, the ficus are loving it in here. Even my calancho over there in the corner. And that's some other millions. I'm talking like, say, that calancho. And yeah, my calancho collection is like over there in the corner. But and then just a few other things. So yeah, this is what we got going on. Want to have this be a shorter video, but hey, come along for the ride. You get to see some cool stuff. Thanks for watching.